Hi there, let me show you this exceptional Rattan sideboard buffet cabinet. This is an exquisite craftsmanship which will add a natural beauty to your living room, kitchen, any space of your house. These rattan doors are very breathable. This material helps you to reduce moisture inside the cabinet, preventing mold or deterioration of the stored items. But look at this. You can use it as a TV stand, as a bar cabinet, your coffee bar, anything that will help you to maintain, organize it, and your room neat. And look at this color, it will match with everything in your home. Also wanted to tell you about these legs that are made with solid wood, giving it a sturdy structure so it maintains stability and durability. So this one will last for so many years. This is a great furniture for your home. Even you can put your kitchen utensils, your wine glasses, cabinets, ensure efficient organization. Just imagine how many things you can put in here or what you can use with this. I'm sure you will love it as much as I love it.